Hi Bean Beauties, Beauty Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is another read bag. It sure is. This one is a fantastic color. Fantastic color. Now, I got this on the Real and I just saw the color and I had to buy it. I had to buy it. Ooh. I'm in my new studio, and so it's still a little crazy trying to figure out. I have a little bit, well, there's a lot more room in general, but still the recording area and unboxing area is still kind of small. But here is the box. Whoa! Here is the box. Always invest in these when you order from the Real. Yes, 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 because you definitely need the box in case. So they can just take a little bit more care. It's worth the $5. It's worth the $5. And you know, they're decent boxes that you can reuse. Here it is. Let me go ahead and just take it out of this box. Now, fair warning, this bag is a Kohl's bag. It's a bag that Reed did do Kohl's. It is leather because some of his bags that he did with Kohl's were not leather, which is probably part of what the whole downfall was. But it is a boxer bag. Let's see, it's from the Real. But I saw this color and right now, so right now I'm big into this color. I'm just really loving and digging this color. These are gonna be some of my last current shopping hauls. Shopping current. All the other stuff is stuff that I've previously purchased that I have not unboxed yet, but I have plenty of unboxing content. Way too much. But look at this. You're gonna love the color. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. Let me see. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, I'm back. So there you can see the camera a little bit. Camera angle has a little bit different camera angle. And see, it is a hot pink. I just love the hot pink. I don't know how this compares to the other bags. I'll have to do a comparison and see what the leather is like. This is leather. And it does have a strap. It comes with a strap. But right here, because right here it has just Reed in big old letters right there. So according to Melissa, which is according to Craig, which Craig had told me too, Birkin Boy, I forgot, means that it comes from Kohl. Now, I say this is leather. It's what the Real said, but the Real has been known to not have everything correct all the time. But here is the inside of the bag, and let's see if I find some stuffing. There's the inside of the bag, nice gray. It feels just kind of like a canvas, you know, material. It's not as nice. This is not as nice as his brand. The inside doesn't have it has the Reed, doesn't have the vaqueta on here, but it's got the Reed leather. I'm just going with leather. Until I find out otherwise. If I find out otherwise during editing, then because I'll talk to Craig by then. Here it's got a really metal zipper. It says Reed on here. See, hopefully you can see that. The zipper pocket is nice and smooth. And it has the little closure right here as a snap closure. Snap closure right there. Which is not very strong though. The closure is not very strong. The magnet is not very strong. There we go. That's a little bit better. You have to line it up just perfect. Here has the back pocket here. It has the front pouch in here too as well. It has the pink lining here with the gray up here. So let's do the 360. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Oh, and here's the top view right here. The top view on there. Let's see. No smells on this one because the other one, I got another one from the Real and it had like a chemical smell, but hopefully I can get that out. So here I'm going to do a comparison between the mini and this size. And it's so cute. Oh my goodness. There we go. So I'm guessing this is the regular size and this is definitely the mini, and it's like half the size. I just love it. I love it. Look, I can put it in here. I have a read inside of a read. Yeah, there we go. All right, I'm good to go. I'm good to go. Oh my goodness. So let me see if I can do the leather. Oh, I'm trying to think. The leather feels, I'm not good at that, but this leather feels a little bit, see that feels softer, but this feels a little bit stiffer, and I don't know, what kind of leather this is.
What'd you say?
What kind of leather that is. But.
Did it. Girl, I know I told you everything to look for when you was looking for a Reed Krakoff bag, baby. I know I told you. It'll be alright, girl. Use it as a rainy day bag. Okay? Love ya. Bye.
It is what it is. I have it. It's in my collection. If it ends up being pleather, well, then I can use it in the rain. I just don't like to buy pleather because it just, they don't last. They don't last. So here, let's do a really quick mod shot. And, oh yeah, plenty of length. In fact, I can raise it up a little bit. I'll have room to raise it up a little bit, which that'll be great. Yeah, I can raise it up a little bit. Let me see what kind of, it also has the dot, the little pegs in here as well. But it has all the stuff that Reed puts into his regular boxer bags. It has this little leather holder for the handles. It has the tag, except that it says Reed versus Reed Krakoff. It has this outside pocket, and this color is just a beautiful, gorgeous color. Love the color. I love the color a lot. So we'll have to see. I'm gonna do a mini collection video. Will be my last video for my Reed Krakoff month, and then one of the bags will be going to Melissa's Corner. Y'all have to tune in to her channel to find out which one it is. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for being here. Love you so much. Bye bye.